Hello. There are total 24 unsolved exercise questions available in this book as per the syllabus of ICSE 2021 because in this year string manipulation using array is not in the syllabus. So in this video and next few more videos I will cover all 24 programs I already written, and in the few videos I explain all the codes, how the codes will be run properly, what will be the errors. I explain in the few videos. I already written all the codes. So let's start with the program. So that is the first program. Write a program to input a sentence, find and display the following: 1. Number of words present in the sentence, and second, the number of letters present in the sentence. Assume that the sentence has neither include any digit nor a special character. Okay, so in that section, first we have to accept the sentence, then we have to find how many words. In general concept, how many words means we generally count number of spaces. If we have 2 space, it means we have 3 words. In the sentence we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 spaces, that means there are 7 words. And next, total number of letters we have to count from an entire string. So the code will be looks like this. First class publicity void main scanner, input to store the string, length to find the length, word equals 1, letter equals 1, that is the initial counters, ch1 2 character variables I need. Enter a sentence, input equals sc dot next line, then the len function will be executed, then I equals 0, I less than len minus 1. For the calculation purpose, I extract 2 character at a time. ch holds a character and ch1 holds the next character. That means if I accept this sentence, that is enter a sentence, that means first time ch holds e and ch1 holds n. When the I is 1, ch hold n and ch1 holds next character, that is t. So I accept every time 2 characters depending on a single index value of I. Okay, so first time I accept e and n. So if part not executed, because if ch double equals space and ch character is letter ch1 is not a word. Okay, so this part not executed. If character is letter ch is true, then the letter plus plus, because first character is ch. Inside of if, I check e, then n, then t, then e, then r, a, and entire part. And if the character is a letter, the process enters in that section and letter will be increases by 1. And this is the part that is I use len minus 1. And now which characters enters in that section, that means this part. ch holds a space and ch1 holds the a, that means that is starting of a word, then I count word plus plus. Same thing, that is ch holds a space and ch1 holds this one s, that means the starting of a word. So I got 2 and initially I write 1, that means the word counter becomes 3. You can also write this one, if ch equals space, but that is the problem. If I write this kind of sentence, there are 1 2 3 space and 1 space. So if user enters these 3 and total 4 spaces, that means the output will be 5 words, but generally the output is only 2-3 words, because and in that section my code is exactly produces your answer, because the 2 spaces not calculated here, because this is ch and this is ch1. Ch is one, not a letter. This space, this is space, ch and ch1 not working. Finally, when the I index is that location, ch is a space and ch1 is a letter, then what counter, what plus 1 plus initializes. So if user enters multiple spaces, then this code runs exactly the clear answer for you. You can also write if character is white space. You can also count what plus plus, but I prefer this statement, and you have to write length minus 1 because each and every time you collect two characters, so that's why I have to write length minus 1. And the answer, finally, the termination of the for loop, I print what plus plus and later plus plus. So let's go with the output and check the workings properly or not. I write enter sentence, number of words present 3 and number of letters 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I use another statement. Hello. Now see, as per my rules, this space is not counted. Okay, sorry, there are one more problem. I think this was a runtime issue. Now check, I use another example. Enter a sentence. This time answer will work properly. I think maybe a issue of I copy this sentence from this area, that's why I think the answer will be 314, but actually there are 4 words and the number of letters present, hello, as per, working properly. So follow the code. I think it may be help you properly. I think this 2 part you can easily omit and write this code. Then go to the next question. The next question is, write a program in Java to accept a word or string and display the new string after removing all vowels present in it. If we accept computer applications, the output is cmptr pp lctans. So what I did here, input, store the value from this section, length to count the number of lengths, extract character ch in that section, use the for loop, I extract all characters, and stores the final value. So in that section I extract each characters. Now check character is a e i o u all in capital as well as in small. If it match, I use a continue statement. The use of continue statement is just iteration of a process. Don't go through this calculation. So the process in that section, if there are no body, so the continue moves the iteration process, and whenever I got a vowel, the part skips. Next time I incremented, and next again I search the letter is vowel or not. So if the letter is not a vowel, or if a special character, the else part will store the character. And finally, termination of the for loop, I print the statement like this. So just check what will be the output. Computer applications. So the output is cmptr ppLCTNS. See the code. So that is the simple code. Now go to the next question. Write a program in Java to accept a name containing 3 words and display the words with initial first letter of each word. Lal Krishna Advani. Here you can accept multiple words using my code. Nothing matter there are 3 letters or not, sorry, 3 words or not. So the code is looks like this. Same thing, inputs to store the value in that section. I updated the input statement with first space then the value. Then using length variable, I count the length of the string. Here I use I equals 0, I less than len minus 1 because I extract 2 characters at a time. Now same thing, ch is a space and the next part is a letter. That means this section. If I accept an input like this, then the next line, if I accept enter a sentence like this, then the output will be space then enter a name. So that space, if section count these two lines, ch holds a space and ch1 is a letter, that means store the character. So when I got space e, then the store equals space e. Next time the next part will be goes, and when the I reaches this location, then ch stores the space and ch1 stores a. That means another part a store in that section. Next time, I think there are multiple spaces, so next time space and n, so ch stores ch1 as n, and that will be the answer. So I use this statement to check out the working is properly or not. Enter name EAN. Now you can accept any length of word like I use my name is Saurav. So that is MNIS, starting of each first letter of each word. Okay. So the question 3 is done. Next move to the question 4. I think question 3 is similar to the initial programs, initial letters. I already uploaded a dedicated video in that topic. Now question number 4. Write a program in Java to accept a name containing 3 words and the display the surname first followed by the first and middle. So in that section, first what we have to do, Mohandas Karamchand space Gandhi, the output will be Gandhi Mohandas Karamchand. So in that section we need that space location. If we got this location, I use substring and extract this Gandhi, and with that location I extract from 0 index to that location. I got Mohandas Karamchand in a separate variable. Next surname space with and the part 1 the first part or middle names, then add it and print it. Code will be looks input store last space, the last space counter, and a ch. I think ch is not required in that section. Okay, then enter name last space. So using that I got this location. Okay, so the location will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So the space in the 19th location, so I use here as 19. Okay, now store equals input the substring else space plus 1, that means 19 plus 1 20. So the 20 will give me GNDHI, because starting whenever substring uses single index, starting from this location to the entire length will be the value. So I use 19 and there is L space plus 1 means Gandhi totally stored in the first part, and the next part here I write input dot substring 0 comma last space. So the part is last space means last space is that 19th location, that means 0 to 18 is the answer of the substring. That means Mohandas Karamchand will be the value of this section. That means Gandhi, add a space, then Mohandas Karamchand. That will be the output, and I print it in that section. Now I use as input value to confirm about the output. Question 4. Surname first followed by the first and middle name. Gandhi space Mohandas space Karamchand. Must be sure every time write a proper heading statement that will give user to proper answer what they need. Okay. Next, the next question is, write a program in Java to enter a string or sentence and display the longest word and the length of the longest words present in the string. So in that section, first you have to separate each words from the string. Now find the length of the current string and check the length is greater than from the previous word length or not. And if the length is greater than from the previous word length, then store the word with the length. So here I use, that is the code. Here I use a input to store the value from this section. A word is used to create each word from this section. Longest word holds the long word, and as well as I mixed the program with small word also. In this program, the question is find the longest word. At the same time, I use another variable which stores the smallest word. So this is the combo program. Len, long len, word len, small len. Ch, storage, add a space at last location because it is required for word separation. Then find the length, small len equals len. Okay. And long len and word len equals 0. Now using the for loop, I extract each character. Now ch equals space. If I use that string, then in that section enter a string, and in that section enter a string, then space. Okay. Then first time I got e, so ch is equals space, no. So the if process goes that location, else part, that means e is stored in that section. Next time ch stores n and that part. Next character t stored that location because if not executed, same as e and r. So the first word stored into the word variable. Now the part is I got a space, then ch stores the space and if location will be activated because the if condition is ch equals space. Now the word I created in else part, now I find the word length in that section, that is word length equals word dot length. Now if the word length is greater than last long length, then first time word length will be 0, so this time 0 greater than 5, no, that is 5 greater than 0. So this part is true, so the long length value is 5 and the next statement is enter. Same thing with that part. Here word length equals 5 and the small length value is length because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I think maybe 17. So this part will be true, then it's also stored enter. And the value is 5 here. Next time, then and finally the word will be null. So the word at that location holds the enter. Now the value will be deleted. Now I part again move and when I got this location, what's hold the new character, that is A. Next time the new word will be A and the word length will be 1. At the time last word length value is present word length value is 1, so the output is 1 greater than 5. Answer will be no. So if part not executed, so this part not enter, but this part, that is 1 less than 5. So the small letter is holds the A and the length is 1. Finally the next sentence is sentence. The sentence hold total 8 characters. So word length will be 8 and if will be 8 greater than 5. Sorry. So it will be true. Then long length holds the word length, that is 8, and it is the sentence. So the process will goes like this, and finally I print the longest word long word. The length of the longest word is long length, same as small word as small length. And if you have questions, just find the long length, then skip this part, and this part you want to skip. So I just run the program like the question will be Tata Football Academy. Tata Football Academy will play against Mohun Bagan. So the longest word is Mohun Bagan, smallest word is Tata, the length is 10, the longest word, and the smallest word length is 4. So the program working smoothly. Now go to the next question, that is write a program in Java to accept a word and display the ASCII code of each character of the word. So string word to store the word, length ch, that word stored length. Now I equals 0, I less than len, extract each character ch, and now print a normal text ASCII code of ch means the character print, and the character converted into int with the explicit conversion will give you the answer. So if I think I use BLUEJ, BLUEJ. Okay, so first time ch holds B, that means ASCII code of ch, that is B. ASCII code of B is obviously B converted to int, so B answer becomes 66. Next time L, the ASCII value of L is 75. Then check the program output. ASCII value of B is 66, ASCII value L, all this part is goes in the for loop section. Follow the code and move to the next question. The next question is write a program in Java to accept a string in uppercase and replace all the vowels present in the string with asterisk sign. Very easy. Okay, so here I use input to accept the string from this location, and at that time I use uppercase function to convert the entire string into uppercase, because in that section question will be give you that enter string in uppercase. So if possible you can write like this in uppercase, but if the user not entered the value in uppercase, then if part not give you the proper answer. So I use dot to uppercase function. If user enter mixed case value or if user enter all small letters, the program will automatically convert all the letters in uppercase and my program works smoothly, because here I check only uppercase vowel letters. So same thing for I equals 0, I less than len, extract each characters. Now check the character is vowel is not. If the character is vowel, I replace the present ch holder ch variable with the star. And if the letter is vowel, then the ch value will be updated to star, otherwise it stored the normal value. So if I think I use e, then the ch holds e. So if part is executed and the value of ch is star, so this part every time executes, because this part is out of if and in the body of for loop. So the stored value is first value is star. Next character is consonant, that is consonant t, e will be moved to star and the r. So that will be the output. So now check the code will be working properly or not. There are no vowel letters. Okay, and make sure write every time a statement. Now the next question. The next question is similar to the initial program. Extract each letter first value, that is count the space in ch and ch1 is a letter. That is the ch1 is a letter, ch1 is a letter, and add all the letters. So that is the question 8. Same thing, I use I equals 0, I less than len, add space first, extract two characters at a time, and check ch is a space and character is letter ch1 is a letter. Then store the ch. Final string will be print your output. So check the output is working or not. So the answer is vital information resource under CIZD. So the final string is virus. So the program working. Now the next question. Write a program in Java to enter sentence, display the word which are only in palindrome. So the code is looks like this. Words store the original string from this part, add a space because you have to separate each word. Okay, then find the length, inside of len variable count equals 0 ch. I use two variables, one is original string and another is reverse string. Now ch, and if I use enter, okay, the first word, then when the ch, that when the I reaches that location, that means 0 1 2 3 4 5, the index of space is 5. When the I is 5, ch holds a space before that location, else hold first letter is ch, So here null plus ch means e, and here store e, both are same. Now new character is n, so n stored after the letter, and here n stored as new, then n is at before. Next t, in that section t, that is e, that is e, and final ar, and that is final r. So if you check the reverse programs in my old videos, I use the topic, write ch after the string and ch before the string. It will give you the reverse value, it will give the original value. So now I create enter as normal, enter as reverse. So when I got a space, that is the fifth location of I check, simply I check original dot equals ignore case reverse, and if it is match, count plus plus, and I print the word. Finally, if the count double equals 0, what will the output? No such palindrome words are present in the string. So this part is little bit required, because if you enter a string and there are no palindrome words, then what will the output? Most of the times it will not give you any output, but this code will give you the proper output that there are no palindrome words. So the output is mom and dad are not at home. So the output is mom and dad only. So I use another string, that is daddy loves me so much. So in that section there are no palindrome words, so this statement is required that no such palindrome words are present in the string. So that is the end, that is the complete program, and I think this statement is required, and to print the statement I use count plus plus. So if I got vowel, if I got a palindrome word, only that part count will be initialized to 1. That means no need to print the statement. Okay, then go to the next question. The question is write a program to accept a sentence. This is the sentence after reversing order of its word. Computer is fun. This is already in my last video, that is reverse program, but as this is a complete series, I describe the program here also. So this is the same as the last one, that is first we have to separate each word, input store the user input, then words store from this location, because I have to separate each word from the string. Now store the word at its reverse position. So if I create a string like computer is fun, so my output will be like add a space. So in that section the output is like looks like this, the space. So till my reach that location, the word holds computer. Now when I reach this location, if part is executed, then rev hold like space plus computer. Okay, and the word will be null. Again next time else part hold is. When the I reaches this location, if part again executed, and this time the rev word value is is, and rev initial value is, this one is the rev initial value. So the is looks like is. Sorry, this one is not looks like, this one is is space computer space, just I use a space. Okay, so the first time the output is computer space, now is space will be added. Next time the new word is fun, and the word value is fun, so fun is placed at that first location, then a space. So the final output, the fun is computer. So that is the complete code, and if you need exact clear explanation, you can go and search the reverse string. I think there are 3 styles I described in that part. So now check the output is working properly or not. So the fun is computer. Okay, the next question is, write a program to input a string, input a sentence and display the word of word that 1 minute. So the question is, write a program to input a sentence and display the word of the sentence that contains maximum number of vowels. The output is Happy New Year. The word with maximum number of vowels is year. So the question is question number 11. In that section, I create input to store word that separate each word in that section. Just wait. So in that section, I use extra max variable equals 0, vowel counter is 0, ch1 2 characters, and input will be stored at space at last to separate each word helper. Find the length for int I equals 0, ch extract each character. Now check if ch equals space, the first time it not match, and else part create the first word. So if I take this line, the word I so the first time the word store the. Now inside of this part, so for j equals 0, j less than word dot length, so word value is the. So the dot length is obviously 3, so j less than 3, that means j loop goes for 3 times. Now ch1 extract first time t, then h, then e. Now if count this part, only one time it will be true because e is present and e catch that location, that means the vowel counter is 1. Okay, initially max equals 1, so 1 greater than max, yes it is true, then max holds 1 and the word is the. I stored the word at a time. Now what will be deleted, that means the d will delete and the vowel counter, that is still 1, but now the value is 0. Now extract the next character, that is word. So next time what stored the word, using the for loop goes for 4 times, but still vowel counter is 1, so 1 greater than 1 not true, then the if part not executed, again word equals null and vowel equals 0, so word will be deleted. Next time it will be same with not updated. Next time it will use create store maximum. So this time for loop goes for 7 times, that is starting from 0 to 6th index, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6th index, and if part executed 1 2 3 times, then the vowel counter is 3, then vowel greater than max, that means 3 greater than 1 true, the max value is 3 and the word is maximum. And you can see there are no more words which having maximum length, maximum letters, so I copy the statement. Now check what will be the answer. Be sure every time you have to null the value of word and set 0 the value of vowel, because vowel count every time each word's vowel counter, and word holds the phrase word every time when the I counter reaches at space location. So the word having maximum number of vowels is maximum. The vowels present in the string is 3. So check the full code carefully. So this is the full code. Now move to the next question. Consider the sentence as given below. Blue bottle is in the blue bag lying on the blue carpet. That is the input statement. Just assume. Write a program to assign the given sentence to the string. Replace the word blue with red at all its occurrence. Display the new string as shown. Given red bottle is in red bag lying on red carpet. So the replaceable word is blue and the replaced, that is new word, is red. So in that section create a program like this one. So I create input word 1, word 2 and store. Okay, word 1 is the first old word, word 2 is the new word which I want to replace, and store hold the final answer. So using the input, enter sentence, input equals ASCII. Next line. Next, word 1 is enter old word which you want to replace. Word 1 equals enter the new word by which you want to replace. Word 2 equals ASCII. Next. This is a sentence, that's why I use next line, and next two variables are word, that's why I use next. Now store equals input dot replace word 1 with word 2. What is the use of replace? Replace works by two ways. One, character by character, that means you can pass old character with the new character that location, and with a string, both string values. Here is the old string and that part is new string. Then word 2 replaced all word 1 values. Now check the output is blue bottle is in blue lying on blue carpet. So the old word is blue, the new word is red, and the output is red bottle is in red lying on red carpet. Maybe I think there is a bag, I mistake the line. So the replace function works like this. So in this video there are total 12 questions, and wait for next videos where I describe next 12 questions. I think I updated next or 2 more videos. Better I give you suggestion that watch full code, write in your copy, and try to understand with my voice, and test with that, like you are able to understand the code or not. If any issue, you can mail or comment in that video, then I will give you a proper explanation why this part looks like, or why I write this code, and what is better for this code. And if you any extra program that you want to solve, or you need a perfect explanation, you can mail or message me. Thank you.